Welcome back to Business Help. In this video, we are going to be going over how to sort and how to filter your items here in a table. But first off, if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. And all right, let's get started here. So to make a table here, we can format as a table right here. But we don't want to do it on this. We're going to move it to another new page. That way we can use our data, sort, and filter options here. So we're going to go ahead and copy this data right here. Hit the right click, copy. We're going to go down here, hit the plus button, add new sheet. All right, I'm going to zoom in here. All right, now I'm going to paste. All right, I'm going to go ahead and move these, cut these values over, move them over. All right, so now that we got that all in one area now we can make this into a table. So all we're going to do is highlight this. We're going to hit the Format as Table button. We're going to use just that style right there. Once this pops up, you hit OK. All right, so now that we have it as a table, now we can go through and sort it. So there's multiple ways we can go ahead and sort this. First off, we can go ahead and click here on the drop-down arrow by location, sort A to Z. So now it's going to sort them that way. We can also sort by many other things here. As well as in here, I can go ahead and let's say I want to take off home. I can remove that. Now it's going to be gone. It's just going to hide it over here. I'll go back and put it on. And I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to go ahead and just put this back to A to Z. Okay, so that's the first way you can go ahead and sort. The second way, you can select this data here. You can go to the Data tab. You can hit the Sort button. And now you can choose by, let's sort by location. And you want the cell value. And we'll be sorting A to Z. All right, we already had that enabled. So there's many different ways, but let's say I want to add a second tier to that. I'll go to Sort. Let's say I want to add a level. Let's say I want to sort it by revenue after that. Revenue, largest to smallest. So these are all different ways to go ahead and sort this. You can add as many different levels as you want, and there's many different options here. Let's add just one more level to show you here. Profit loss, largest to smallest. So I can go ahead and do that. And let's say I want to move it to first. So now it's going to sort by profit loss first. So that's how you can use that feature there. So that's how you can easily go ahead and sort your data. So now let's go over what are we going to do with this data. Let's filter out some of these. Let's say we don't want any negative data. So we're going to go ahead and hit the filter button. So it's going to pop those little spots up right there. So we're going to go through here and we're going to just turn off. Let's say we want to get rid of home because it's a negative. Now we have OK. Now let's just add a formula here to demonstrate that it's gone. It's equals. Let's just use our sum formula here like we've showed you in other ones. Go over here at the auto sum. All right, so it's 55,000. Now let's turn that filter back off. Now we're down 25,000. So that's how you can easily sort and easily just go through and select which data you want. So hopefully this video helped, and if it did, remember to hit subscribe and make sure you hit the like button and check out our future videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.